For the last 5.5 years, I have had my PC modding studio in a bedroom on the bottom floor of our 5-room villa. Now, my wife and I moved in 5.5 years ago, and since then we've pretty much been renovating every nook and cranny in this house. The house was built in the 70s, so with that said, there's a lot of things to renovate, there's a lot of things to update, a lot of things to change. Now, the room that I am currently sitting in its current state, I've already done some of the renovations, and that's what you're going to see in this video. We're pretty much up to date with how this room is at this point of recording. I have had a new CNC brought in by CNC Step, and these guys were kind enough to lend me the machine, and I'm going to be using it for upcoming PC projects. I'll also be creating a lot of video content for the CNC and for CNC Step as well. So kind of like what Alex Banks did for BitTech. So big shout out to Alex, because he is a massive inspiration for me using that particular brand and also going that particular manufacturing direction with this channel. Bit of a backstory, 5.5 years working out of this particular room. Now, it has basically been unchanged for the last 15 to 20 years. With that said, there was like a fishbone textured wallpaper, like a 3D wallpaper on all of the walls, and all the walls were beige, and there were holes everywhere. It was actually quite depressing to be down here and to use this room for my modding projects. Now, didn't have anywhere else to go. Didn't have the time to do the renovations at that particular point in time up until now. So it's what I had to live with. But it's very depressing looking back, because right now I love this space even though it's unfinished. And that's just purely because of the update that I've been able to give it. But I remember specifically choosing not to come down and do any modifications on any PC parts, or PC projects I should say, because I did not like the space. And for me, someone who is a tech enthusiast, who loves enthusiast gear, who loves building the best PCs that I can build, I find that quite depressing that I actually chose not to build my PCs because of this room. So with the help of Komplett and Svive, I finally have the opportunity, the right circumstances to come down here and to renovate the absolute crap out of this place. This video is a time lapse of me building the CNC from CNC Step, and also wallpapering all the walls and painting them as well. I've also moved a lot of the furniture around to try and find out the ideal layouts, and so that I can see what type of furniture I wanted to replace and where that furniture would go. Massive shout out to CNC Step, Komplett and Svive for allowing this project to happen. And I will roll the video now. Just recently, I had a CNC from CNC Step dropped off in my house, and I thought that today I might build it and put it here somewhere. do I keep doing this to myself? Like, I can't even get it out if I wanted to. been a fun journey so far. It's been a bit tiring, but it's only because, you know, wallpapering and painting is not the most fun part. But now I've got the boring stuff out of the way, it's only going to get better from here.
Please consider subscribing if you want to follow along with the rest of the renovation, and please check out the other videos on my channel. Cheers.